Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create this small zoom effect in CapCut PC. And here I'm using animation effect, so it's a person. Select your videos or photos you like to edit, and I'm just going to go to animation and select out animation, and you can find it better. Sorry, you can select the zoom in, and you can adjust for the duration, full duration. You can see this more smooth zoom right, so smooth, right? Just adjust the duration and full duration. Right, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.